And thank you so much for joining me. I'm Eric Tolman with a severe weather update for Southeast Michigan. High wind watch in effect, and this is an urgent weather message for Southeast Michigan. High wind watch in effect for Midland, Bay, Huron, Saginaw, Socola, Sanilac, Shiawassee, Genesee, Lapeer, St. Clair, Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, and Monroe County. Once again, high wind watch in effect for Midland, Bay, Huron, Saginaw, Socola, Sanilac, Shiawassee, Genesee, Lapeer, St. Clair, Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, Monroe County. This high wind watch is in effect from Sunday morning through Sunday evening. What, when, impacts, and the additional information. This is what we've got. So, there'll be southwest winds between 20 to 30 miles per hour, and then gusts as high as 60 miles per hour possible Sunday. And this is for portions of southeast lower Michigan from Sunday morning through Sunday evening. So be prepared for the potential for power outages. I'm going to say actually, as a matter of fact, widespread power outages across all of Southeast Michigan, Metro Detroit area will have this impact. So widespread power outages are possible tomorrow with the gusty winds that will really be roaring through our area, about 60 miles per hour. So make sure you got those flashlights. Make sure you charge your cell phones, have those battery chargers, money, and all that important stuff that you need, because once that we start seeing power outages, it's going to be a mess. So be prepared for that severe weather event. So once again, high wind watch in effect for all of Southeast Michigan, and that is for Midland, Bay, Huron, Saginaw, Socola, Sanilac, Shiawassee, Genesee, Lapeer, St. Clair, Livingston, Oakland, Macomb, Washtenaw, Wayne, Lenawee, and Monroe County, and that's for all of Southeast lower Michigan. And once again, the impacts are damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially if you have high-profile vehicles that are really high up. And other details would be high confidence continues to exist regarding gust potential ranging between 45 to 50 miles per hour. Will be the gust potential, and possibly up to 60 miles per hour. That's enough to bring down a lot of damage and power lines and all that stuff. So like I said, be prepared for tomorrow's severe weather event. I'm not joking with you. Please make sure that you are prepared for the worst. Make sure you've got your cell phones, your battery chargers, flashlights, and all that good stuff with you, because we're going to be dealing with the wind storm tomorrow, so be prepared for the very worst. And I'm Eric Tolman. I'll keep you posted on tomorrow's severe weather event, and I'll have more in our regular forecast tonight. Come back and join me for another look at our forecast tonight at 4 p.m.